Yes, I'm Samuel, and these are the tutorial series of Schoolpesa. In our last tutorial, what we covered was we were simply giving Mr. Hira Chwanuka a subject in a given class so that he can be able to log in and assign topic scores for that subject. So in this tutorial, what I'm going to cover is how this teacher will access the web portal using the credentials, the default credentials that we gave him. So in order for this teacher to access the web portal, I have to log out as I'm an admin now, but I'm going to log out. Let me first see the number that we used so that I don't make a mistake, because this teacher is going to use a phone number to log in. So I'm going to log out. I've copied this, so this is an admin. Remember also a teacher has this section, so I'm going to use a phone number. I've just pasted. Then the password, you have to know the default password. You'll get it from your administrator, and then you can sign in as a teacher. So you use the phone number, your phone number, and the default password to sign in. So you have signed in as a teacher. As you can see from here, you are Hilary Chwanka and you are the teacher. You can also view your profile. Yes, you have already signed in. So in the next tutorial, what we can cover is I think I can add this. Let me add these tutorials 9 and 10 into one, so that we can also cover how this teacher is going to change their password after they have logged in. So to change the password, what you are going to do is remember, this was, you've just logged in and you clicked this, and then you can see that there's a password button here. It has highlighted, so I will just click password, and then I'll be able to change my password. I've logged in and now I can change my password. I'm a teacher, I've logged in and I can change my password, all pin. So I'm going to change my password. I cannot tell you my password, I'm just changing it. I can confirm. Confirm password has to be the same as new password. So I will change the password. So they will tell me password changed successfully. So let me log out and I test again with the new password, and I see if this has really worked. So I'm going to first put the old password. Yes, it is wrong, so let me put the new password. So as you can see, the password has changed, and that was the goal of this tutorial. So what we have covered in tutorial 9, this was tutorial 9. So tutorial 9, we are able to, tutorial 9 and 10, we are now able to access the web portal as teachers, and then later we are able to change the password. Thank you, and see you in the next tutorial. That will be 11. So in our tutorial 11, we are going to be covering how the teacher how the teacher is going to add marks to the student. Remember, we assigned Hilary Chwanuka physical education, so we shall be able to cover that in the next topic, in the next tutorial. Thank you. Bye.